In this video, I'm going to show you how to export references from Mendeley. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open Mendeley, and then you want to select all the references you want to export. So I have 3 of them over here. If I wanted to export just all of them, you could just click on this top left square. So when you click on it, all of them are going to get selected. But if you want just some of them, click on the check marks and you're good to go, okay? So I'm going to select all, and then down here towards the bottom, it says export. When you click on that, you can select how you want to export. So there's like 4 options. It's the BibTeX, the EndNote XML, you have Microsoft Word, and then you have the Research Information System. So select the one that you want. I'm going to do BibTeX right now. And when you do so, it's going to say export.bib. Of course, you can rename it. Just make sure that the extension stays. You can select where you want to save this. I'm going to go into my downloads, click on save, and that way you've successfully exported references from Mendeley. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.